The kiln-dried lumber will be cut to a fixed length. Pieces under 24 will be kicked out and put into a dumpster. Cut-to-length lumber automatically feeds into the gang rip. It will rip the board into desired slat thickness. Staged slats will be picked up by a robotic vacuum lift. Applies PUR glue to the bottom veneer. The panel will then feed through the pinch roll.